Hi viewers, welcome to LMS Solution. Today we are going to see about how to draw PV and IV curve for that PV array. In this video, you have to see about that IV PV characteristics. For that, just you go to type PV array. Once you type this PV array, you will get this PV array block, and then you need to connect current measurement and do voltage measurement. Just you go to connect this one, and then you need a controlled voltage source. Okay, and then connect this one here, and then you connect this here. Here you have to measure the voltage across that PV array. Okay, and here I'm going to fix the PV array parameter. Just I'm going to take 1 and 1. That means series connected models is 1, and then is 1, and then here I'm going to take the first model. Here you see that the open circuit voltage is 43.99. Note down this value, and then I'm going to fix irradiation, right? Just for that I'm going to use constant. Irradiation is 1000, and then temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. This is a standard test condition. So now we need to vary this voltage across that PV. For that I'm going to use ramp source. Here I'm going to fix the slope. For example, I'm going to simulate this model for once again, and then slope I'm going to consider that open circuit voltage. Open circuit is 43.99. Here I'm going to fix 43.99, and then here you have to store the data for the to workspace. In that I'm going to use two detail mux. That means we need to measure three things. One is voltage, one is current, another one is power. For that I'm going to use product. Just I'm going to multiply this voltage and current, and I'm going to use another logic is stop simulation. I'm going to compare that about the constant. If the current less than 0, then we need to stop the simulation. Here I'm going to store the data. Here I'm going to consider data, and you store like a array. And also we need to use power GI because we are using specialized power system toolset. And also I'm going to use scope, seeing the results. Here I'm going to see the three things. Here we are going to see voltage, current and power. I'm going to use 3 input and 3 layout. One is voltage, another one is current, another one is power. PV, IV, PV panel. Now I'm going to simulate this one. Now you see that this is a voltage variation, this is a current variation, and this is a power variation. But the variation everything with respect to time only. In order to draw that IV PV characteristics, right, comes to here. Here you can see the out function. This will be very different kind of MATLAB versions also. That means when you go to say this to directly workspace, sometime it will be stored directly as a data. Sometime it will be stored like out function. In out function you can see this one. So just you go to separate the data first. Right? First is IPV, that means VPV equal to out data. That means it contain the first data set, that is called nothing but VPV, and then IPV is second one, and third one is power, PPV. Now we have that IPV, PPV and VPV. Next we go with the plotting command. For example, plot VPV comma PPV. Just you execute this one, evaluate this one, so you will get that graph. This is a voltage and this is power. If you want to add that detail, you can insert X label, that means PV voltage, and then you can insert Y label PV power. Sorry, insert Y label. This is PV power. You can add that X label and Y label here. Same way you can draw between PV and IPV. Just you close this one, so you can draw the graph IPV. That means power versus voltage of the PV. Now we are going to draw that power current versus voltage graph. Here you see that you can add X and Y label or whatever detail you can add that title of. Now if you want to do for some other graph, some other settings, just you have to change the irradiation and then measure the data, and then you can do that same process. This is the way of drawing that PV and IV characteristics of the PV array in MATLAB. Okay, thanks for watching our videos. Kindly subscribe channel and also click bell icon for notification about upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.